guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Glory, of course. So vile mnasikia, nataka msikie environment niko. Yani place niko, birds are chirping, haitaki kelele. Ningewaambia location yenye niko, but haitaki kelele. Anyway, location ni nyuma ya ID. So literally I'm at home. Yani I needed this environment. Unasikia venye kumetulia. Kelele tu unasikia ni za maybe kuku, like ng'ombe, nini, birds here and there. So I had missed this environment and it's been like a minute nikikuja home. Long story short, nataka kufanya some chores here and there za nyumbani. Then I have somewhere to go with my friend. I've not seen my friend for 1 year. Like nilimwona last year ikianza. So I think it's almost 1.5 year. So literally we are going somewhere to catch up and acha niharakishe nifanye kazi before akuje. So guys, nishamaliza chores zote and I'm ready as you can see. So Bishna amenitext ameniambia ako around the corner, I think not far from here. So namgoja afike hivi, we no wasting time, I'm ready to end it. But I don't know kama nita vlog on the way ama akifika. Just let me acha ngoja, then I'll see if we're gonna vlog ama yeah. See you there. Kama sitakuwa nimevlog, but see you there. See you on the destination. So here we met this guy at the door and akaamua kutuonyesha direction where we were going. So hapa alikuwa anatuonyesha some ni kama fish pond, wamefuga tu samaki hapo kidogo. And yeah, so she waited for us tukaangalia. She's so good, like she's so patient with us. So guys, angalia the ambience. You know, you go somewhere and the outside environment before you get inside, like kwa hoteli, look at the outside how it looks, then you'll judge it by its cover. So the hotel was looking so gorgeous and I decided to take my friend a video akitembea, you know. So yeah, nikamchukua video and later she decided to take me some also. Yep, showing you the outfit and everything, but I felt like we were giving the usher the hard time because she could stand there, wait for us, take some videos, you know, but we were having fun literally. Maybe for her it was okay, but for me I felt like we were giving her the hard time. Mwambie akuje. Heading to tunaenda kwa pool. Yeah. So yeah, bye. See you there. Okay? Yeah, aki asa. Slai ametuita. Kile amesema tuende saa, I don't know. Sawa. We're done from swimming. We're going for lunch.
Yeah, we're done.
Guys, I forgot to vlog our lunch, like for real. Anyway, so here I remember to carry my camera. So we went to the supermarket because it was time to go back home and it had rained. Ilikuwa imenyesha. So we decided like let's pass by like a supermarket to buy snacks. We'll call it a day. Yeah. I'm back home. Tushamaliza like hadi nimechange nguo. Back to work. Anyway, I'm back home and I think I had a great time. I'm not even thinking. I had a good time with my friend. Like we did some catch up. It's been long, like 1.5 years long for close friends, you know. So we did some catch up and yeah, I had missed that. So we had a great time. We can't complain. So sahi nataka kwenda ku make dinner cause ni jioni. So to make dinner for my family, for my parents. Yeah, so maybe if I can conclude this video, see you on the next video. So guys, subscribe, kama mwenye subscribe, share, like and comment. Bye.
I just can't wait. I just can't wait to hold you, baby. It's been a long time since in that face. Oh, that pretty little face. Let me wrap